About this item: universal compatibility. Most PS4 controller, Android smartphones, Alexa Echo Dot, 2nd generation, Bose SoundLink Color i2, PS3, Kindle Fire tablet and many other devices with a micro USB port, like Samsung, Nexus, HTC, Motorola, Nokia, LG, Sony, OnePlus, BlackBerry, PS4/PS4 Slim/PS4 Pro controller, Kindle Fire 7 tablet, PS Vita, GPS devices, Bluetooth speakers, wireless keyboards, MP3 players, cameras, camcorders, handheld games consoles, e-readers, printers. Extra long, 15 feet. Durable Android charging cable provides extra reach for charging and syncing your devices. Perfect choice for you to replace your original cable and add more convenient for using device at home, office, or travel or any place you prefer faster charging and sync. The Android charger cable great performance ensures maximum charging speed up to 2.4A and the micro cord transfer data up to 480 Mbps via duct backwards compatible USB 2.0. It allows your devices to sync and charge simultaneously and you can enjoy charge speed faster than most standard cables. This is a perfect micro changing cable for your Android phone. Extra durability, the Android cable with a tested 10,000 plus bend lifespan. Stainless steel head will slot in easily and tightly. Micro USB cable won't get loose or fall out from your device, ensures your device is a good connection. Environmentally friendly PVC jacket adds additional durability and flexibility, not easy to be tangled. What you get: 1 pack 15 feet micro USB to USB-A 2.0 cables, perfect for using with hard to reach USB ports and out of sight wall chargers, for bed, sofa, desk, or car charger. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: universal compatibility, most PS4 controller, Android smartphones, Alexa Echo Dot, 2nd generation, Bose SoundLink Color i2, PS3, Kindle Fire tablet and many other devices with a micro USB port, like Samsung, Nexus, HTC, Motorola, Nokia, LG,